Hi friends, welcome. Recently, I have generated some musics by using AI for my travel videos. So I have giving the inputs that what is explaining all about my video, and it was generating the background musics. Now then I tried to work more on this, and this has helped me in one way that I was facing some problems while using one platform and then using the same video with the freely provided background or the soundtracks in another social platform. We'll discuss also on that issue and what way this AI generated music has helped me and how far it has matched my requirement. We'll discuss more about this. In the Gemini tools here, you can just click this plus and create music. Here by selecting this, we are telling that we need a output in MP3 format or a music output we want. I logged into Gemini, so started with this, and here are all my prompts and what music also it has generated. We'll see. First, my prompt was I was describing the temple scene, so I need background music for this. So I had clearly told because otherwise it can give me vocal also. So visiting a temple in India, it is a modern temple with a lot of architectural and tall structures. The music should be Indian devotional classical short music where I am traveling inside the temple because it should match to the environment. So I got it. But initially it gave me the prompt. Then I told him, no, please, the prompt is not, I need the clearly the music. So it gave me this. You can just listen to this. I explained the different location of the temple. So different floors were having different views. So accordingly, it was matching to that. It was giving me the musics. They were fine more or less. Sometime I had to refine by changing my prompt. So it was fine. Then what I did instead of asking, giving the all the scenario, I simply asked, can you give me by using tabla and flute in Indian classical? So this has helped me a lot. Then I have learned one thing. Okay, let us just run it once so you can see this. Fine, you got an idea how the this music was. This is fine. Increase the BPS for more enthusiastic means I just asked it. BPS is beats per second. This is what I have learned also. So this is the musical language. So what happened when you have in a very slow mode, then in the morning you want BPS to be less. A highly energetic means high BPS. Say pop music with drums and all. You can go for a high energetic music. So I have understood this is one of the language in which we talk to or the musicians usually talk. So I am not a I think I have just as a user point of view, I have very few knowledge on how this music composition, what are the languages of the music. This puts me another thing, how this Gemini understand it. Google uses Lyria, so it is the music generator which background its own language model which generates the music it uses at the background, and Gemini as a front end it also generates the music. I was searching what's the difference between these two models of Google. Actually when I am giving a prompt to the Gemini as a front end tool, it indirectly or directly takes it, understands the my requirement because of its language model and get the output from Lyria which generates the music and gives me. So the obvious question comes is, can I directly interact with that? Yes, you can just search Lyria, Lyria. That is the it understands the all the musical tones of the musician. If you know all the BPS and all the technical stuffs of how to generate music, you can directly interact. It understands that. Now, when I am explaining a scene, what Gemini as a front end tool, it translates it and give those technical words into the back end engine. Here is a comparison between the two types. Suppose you are handling the Gemini, then you can give a very descriptive situation like this. The prompt will be like this. And the same thing when you want to explain it to Leria. So here you have to be technical. I mean the language of the musicians you have to follow. So here it is more descriptive in a technical world or in a language of the musician. Here is a quick comparison between these two, how you will give it. So basically Gemini uses Gemini analyze or it understands our requirement in a plain English type situation and get it translated to the in the language which Leria can generate the music for us. I tried for a reverse engineering, means I have uploaded the one of the its own generated AI generated background music. Here it is. Then I asked, give me the prompt to use the generated used to generate this music. So it has given me nicely the music what the prompt what I can use it, and it has given me the tempo. It see this BPS also it has given me. Now this can help me. Suppose I want some customization or slight change in this I can just change it. But you see these are all ambient. It has explained the instrument to use. So this became a input for me to try in another language model, ChatGPT. We'll see how the output is. I used the same prompt, came to ChatGPT and started using it. So it has run through a Python program. I don't know why it has gone through Python program, and finally it has allowed me to generate the MP3 version or the soundtrack. Here I have downloaded it here. Then you can see that also, but it was not up to that mark. Let us just see that. Very specifically, I asked ChatGPT give more importance to tabla and flute, but it has again run the same code and Python code, and here it is what I got the output here. I can show. Yeah, it is. Not exactly matching. I think ChatGPT has to improve a lot, but note that these language models keeps on improving. So right now today I was happy with the output of Gemini, not so happy with the ChatGPT. But what will happen tomorrow, because they keeps on improving. So what will happen tomorrow with this music generation, can't say. When I was using the soundtracks freely provided by YouTube and create the video, then I was facing the issue that when I upload the same video to Facebook, it prompts me that your soundtrack copyright issues are there in some countries, so it will be muted. So that issue was there. Now by using the AI tool, which is almost, I can say, not 100%, almost copyright free, so I can use it because there is not much human effort is involved. So I can use it in different platforms. So that is the biggest help I get. That's all, friends. Hope you have a good learning experience and you will try to use it, and let us know what way you have used this, and if you have any idea, doubt, suggestion, questions, use the comment section below to post it. And my request is please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we add tutorial, and we are frequently adding that also. Please share this with your friends, and thank you for watching.